If you've ever been to the track and driven behind a Stark, you probably know what this video is about. If you don't, it's about the insane amount of dirt they throw behind them. It's insane, and I think it's much more than a 450. Most likely due to the fact that if you give full throttle with the Stark, the tire spins like top speed from a standstill as compared to an ordinary gas bike. If you give full throttle in like second gear, it only gives a certain amount of speed until you shift up. But you will see in this video when I chase my friend Max on the Stark and me on the KTM 150.
Ja, putter väl på lite.
Ja. Jag släpper förbi mig när jag kommer.
Jag ska köra lugnt idag.
In this part of the video I drive first, so if you want to skip where the Stark starts spitting a lot of sand, you can skip to about 2:30 in the video.
Tror du slutar lite bakom den eller? Helvete. Jävlar vad det höll på att vingla i kurvorna.
Fan vad problem jag har.
Helvete vad grus jag har fått i ansiktet.
So that's it for this video. Nevertheless, I don't think the Starks are bad or should be banned from the track, but they're quite a pain in the ass when you're behind them. So basically, you just gotta be a little bit faster.